Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by removing what will keep rust coming back. Use a wire brush or 80-120 grit sandpaper to get to bare metal. Once done, degrease with solvent or soap and rinse. Dry thoroughly. Moisture is the enemy, so use a heat gun or compressed air if possible. Make sure to protect nearby surfaces with tape and drop cloths and wear gloves and eye protection. These first steps expose clean metal, so coatings will bond and stop oxidation from restarting. Next, you create the barrier that prevents oxygen and water from reaching metal. Apply a zinc-rich or epoxy rust-inhibiting primer to clean steel. Allow tack-free cure times listed by the manufacturer. Then top coat with enamel, urethane paint, or cold galvanizing spray for long-term protection. For movable parts or hand tools, a thin oil, wax, or dedicated corrosion inhibitor works well. Make sure to follow drying times. Apply multiple thin coats rather than one thick coat, and sand lightly between coats for adhesion. Finish by inspecting your work after 24 to 72 hours and touch up any chips or thin spots immediately. A small bare patch invites rapid corrosion. Make sure to keep items dry and store them with silica packs or a dehumidifier to lower humidity. For ongoing use, wipe and reapply light oil periodically. If rust returns, treat the area with a rust converter, sand back to sound metal if needed. Then reapply primer and top coat. This triage prevents a small problem from becoming a full redo.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.